गुड मॉर्निंग एंड अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग सॉल्यूशंस। आपका बहुत स्वागत है हमारे चैनल में। इफ यू आर अ फर्स्ट टाइम व्यूअर ऑफ दिस चैनल, आई वुड recommend you to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon on the notification panel to stay updated on all the videos that we are posting. If you send me a screenshot after subscribing to the channel on WhatsApp 9113211787, I will add you to the secret Telegram and WhatsApp group where we discuss strategies on a daily basis. I have also given the link in the description box below. You can click the link and join the Telegram group. Let's right jump into the topic of discussion today. So the concept that I'm going to explain is money multiplier concept, which is very simple. Let me get to the point straight and do watch this video till the end so that you don't miss out on any important points that I'm going to discuss. So like you can see, the market is on the bullish side today. Sensex is up, Nifty Bank is up, Nifty 50 is up. And then if you have not seen the previous videos about Bank Nifty trading, wherein you can bring in profits from 20 to 200% on any given day, how to trade, what are the techniques that you have to follow, please go check out those videos before you watch this video, because it is very important for you to have a steady flow of income into your trading account on a monthly basis, where we have 20 to 22 days of trading sessions. For example, 15 trades or 15 days, the trades that you are going to take might work in your favor. 5 days, 8 days might not work in your favor. So what will happen is the amount of investment that is required for Bank Nifty right now is around 10,000 rupees, because the premiums are on the higher end. If you want to buy Bank Nifty 35,000 CE today, which has expired, let me show you the amount of money which was required to buy was around 8,500 rupees. The premiums have been increased due to volatility, and for example, if you had traded in the instrument 35,000 CE 4th February expiry, you would have seen a 200-point jump up in your trade and you would have made a decent profit. So on any given day, what will happen is the profit that you accumulate from the trades that you are doing in Bank Nifty, the amount of profit that you see is approximately 20 to 50% if you have set your stop loss, or if you have set your target based on risk management. If you are a trader who is willing to take risk and see your money grow 100%, 200%, you will have to wait throughout the day. Anyways, understanding the concept is very important. 22 trading sessions. If you have traded 15 sessions which are in your favor, let's say for example, if you have 10,000 rupees capital, you trade one particular day and you earn 1,000 rupees profit, which means 15,000 rupees on a monthly basis is your profit from Bank Nifty trading. What you will do is on any given day, the profit that you are accumulating from the Bank Nifty trades has to go back into the market. You will buy stocks immediately before closing the trade, and you will see your money multiply over a period of 1 month. If you are somebody who is going to withdraw your accruals, or if you are somebody who is going to withdraw your profits on a monthly basis, 15,000 rupees for example that you have earned in 22 trading sessions, out of which 15,000 rupees is invested back in the stock market, say like there is a jump, or say like there is an increment of 10% on the reinvestment that you have done, which is 1,500 rupees. If you had withdrawn that amount of money in a particular trading session, you wouldn't have seen that 10% increment on the stocks that you are going to reinvest in. It can be 10 times, it can be 10%, 20%, 30%, depending on the market, but it is mandatory that you follow this discipline so that your money multiplies. The investment that you are going to make into the stock market is giving you the returns that you deserve. I hope this concept is very clear. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to share it with your friends. You can check out our other videos in the playlist as well. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the section below, comment box below, and send me a message on WhatsApp as well, 9113211787. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.